Zimbabwe's next chapter requires Vice President retired Dr. Constantino Chiwenga. Let me give you my reasoning. Because unlike politicians, I am obligated by my profession to show my working. Sanapera mashoko budanyi ukapangwa ine apa machipomsarurwa achiti ava VP Constantino Chiwenga ndiye ari kudikamwa and VP Constantino Chiwenga is the next our president wenyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Tobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tinda paendo yechipomsarurwa kana kudanyura achiti. First, the constitutional argument. Zimbabwe's constitution demands a leader who understands institutions, not just power institutions. The difference between a politician who accumulates power and a statesman who builds institutions, the difference between a decade of stability and a generation of heat. General Chiwenga has demonstrated through his conduct, his restraint, and his institutional loyalty that understands the difference. Secondly, the historical argument. November 2017 was not a military coup. I have said this in lecture halls, and I will say it here. It was a constitutional corrective, imperfect in its method, necessary in its outcome. The men who architected that corrective demonstrated strategic thinking of the highest order. A nation that needs correcting again deserves the man who has already proven he can correct it. Third, the democratic argument. I've spent my career fighting for the people's rights to choose. The confusion has not changed, but the people's choice must be informed, and I'm informing it today. Zimbabwe consider General Chiwenga seriously. I have made my position clear. History will record that I said it, and history, in my experience, tends to be right. Normal developments are pangwa in as poster VP Constantino Chiwenga achiti aiwa is the next is the one required in the next chapter of Zimbabwe. Recommend section videos of any more to be pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.